Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you a nail design that is perfect for those who want to add a touch of glamour and sophistication to their nails. I'm using Aliana Hand's Realistic Fake Finger. The skin color is autumn. First, we need to buff the nail. Of course, after the cuticle is cleaned. We need to take the shine off the nails, so the gels will adhere well. Also helps the longevity. If you skip this step, there may be a lifting. Let's remove the dust with a brush and clean it thoroughly with alcohol. Next, it's dehydrator and primer time. Starting with the nail dehydrator and let it dry completely. Then, the primer. The nail primer creates an ideal surface for acrylic or gel products to bond with. This improves the longevity and durability of the nail enhancement. Now I will apply a thin base coat. I wrapped the fake finger with clear tape, so the form can stick to it. This nail form is really thick and holds the shape well. I love it. Now I place the form carefully. Checking from side view, it looks perfect. I would never do this if it was a real human finger, but you can cut the form before placing it on the finger. Cutting the form will help with extra pinching. I added builder gel and spread it. It's cured and hardened. Taking off the form. I will file it later. I added black acrygel, and I will make smile line for French tip. I say acrygel, but it's also called polygel or hybrid gel. They will not be dry out until you cure them under the lamp. Acrygel has the strength and durability of acrylics, and the flexibility and self-leveling properties of gel. Wet your brush with alcohol to control the acrygel. Minimum 70% of isopropyl alcohol is fine. Be sure to drain excess alcohol. Too much alcohol will ruin the gel. It may cause the lifting. The acrygel or polygel should be thinner in the cuticle area. The black acrygel is cured. Let's sharpen the smile line. I also file the clear gel. I'm painting the smile line with green gel polish. It's cured and adding purple gel on the tip. If the green gel were wet, it would be muddy color if mixed with purple. I'm blending slightly. Wet to dry technique. I clean my brush in between while blending. It's purple iridescent mylar flakes. I apply a thin layer of clear gel. Then, putting the flakes on it while it's still wet. And glitters. To empty spaces. Let's cure it. These are beautiful shells. I will break it into small pieces. Again, thin layer of clear gel. Placing the shells now. Now I add the chain randomly. Curing it and adding a thin layer of clear gel again. Metallic caviar beads, 2 different sizes. It's done and curing. Now the final clear gel, encapsulation. Let's file it completely. I filed too much that area, so repainting green to fix it. Then black gel around the cuticle area. I could actually skip this step because I will use rhinestones, but I still wanted to do it. Then, adding rhinestones and caviar beads. I love rhinestones because they add elegance, glamour, and sparkle. You can choose the amount and placement of rhinestones to adapt the design to your preferences or the occasion. Here we go. The moment of satisfaction and the reveal. Ah, I like to encapsulate with clear gel. Look, how clear they are. Let me know what you think. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more nail art inspiration. I can't wait to see your own versions of this design. Feel free to share your nail art photos with me and tag me. Follow me on social media. Let's stay connected. And remember to ring that notification bell so you never miss out the latest videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.